วัสดีค่ะ
Well, good afternoon, subscribers. Yes, Kamala Beach, here we go. Beautiful summer's day. People out everywhere, enjoying their holiday break. Let's go for a walk, shall we? People everywhere, man. Oh, getting a photo. Welcome to the channel, everyone. Hope you're enjoying it. People getting massages on the beach. Guys on the swings. How's this for a beach, everyone? Kamala. Swadee Kap.
สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to Smile.
This, my friends, is probably the best beach in southern Thailand, I would say. Welcome to the channel. I do walks around Thailand, Bangkok, Phuket, Hua Hin, all those places, Pattaya also. Hope you enjoy the walk. Just smashed down a pad krapao pork and thought I'd go for a walk. Took me a while to think that one up. No, it didn't. Just come to me then. That's where we're staying here. Beautiful resort, this one. Well, it's not a resort, it's just a little small hotel. Mate, rooms are huge. 80 square metres. Kamala Beach, everyone. Kamala Beach, Phuket. And no, there's no vlogging a dead horse. Sean's still not back. No one in his seat.
Good day and welcome.
Man, this is perfect. Beautiful. Can't get much better than this, can we? Swadee Kap. Just amazing. Beautiful beach. Coconut garden restaurant. People enjoying themselves, having a feed. Big swing there. Everyone's loving it. So this beach is about 15-20 minutes from Patong Beach. Look at this sign. It's cool, isn't it? Can you see that? People just enjoying themselves. It's about 28 degrees, I reckon. 29 maybe. Hello, Push. Little kid eating over there. I've told people before, that's where you go and eat if you want it half the price. Or you can pay full price by eating on the beach. The restaurant's on the beach, on the main road anyway. They love it. A little bit windy today. There's a tuk-tuk's waiting for customers. It's cool. Beach bags, little market stalls here. Whoa, fantastic. There's Mr. Coconut Man. Remember him from last time. Nice fresh coconut, so refreshing. He's dude cutting one up now. Nice fresh coconuts, ready to eat, drink, I should say, not eat. Well, you can eat the bottom part of it anyway. Beach chairs look half full, I suppose, with people in them. More coconuts. Beautiful weather. Dude on a motorbike, cruising past. Mr. Surfboard Man. Beautiful day. All the long-tail boats out there, waiting for customers to take them to all the islands. Fantastic. The beach is probably about, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 kilometres long, I suppose. Longtails stay in the left-hand corner of the beach, so they're not allowed, I don't think, into in the middle area. Yeah, they're not allowed in the middle area, so they come from over here. If you want to be picked up and go to an island or whatever. Hotel pool there, everyone enjoying themselves in the hotel pool. Let me know in the comments if you've been to Kamala Beach before, and if you like it, if you think it's one of the top beaches in Thailand. I think it is. A lot of people think it is. It's fantastic. Well, lots of people down here. Oh yeah, these beach chairs are all full. Full everywhere. Look at that. Packed. Absolutely packed. Look at that. Full to the brim. I think it's about 100 baht. You can hire it for the day. Oh, 200 baht here. Where I am, it's 100. Oh, getting ripped. Not me, them. Oh, fresh smoothie. Pad kapow. Penang curry. Oh, dog's punching on. Get a massage over here if you like. Well, 300 bucks for a Thai, 300 baht for a Thai massage. A little bit steep, but you're on the beach, I suppose. Some people enjoy it, some people don't. Walk down here a bit further. Jet ski for rent, 1500 baht for 15 minutes. 20 minutes, 2,000 baht. 30 minutes, 2,500 baht. What's that? 2,480. Gee, that's about nearly 100 bucks for 40 minutes or something. A bit pricey. There's all the longtails over there. We're coming up to the Green Bridge here. I'll call it a day because not much more down here except the shops further on. So what I'll do, I'll leave this one here, people. Hope you've enjoyed. Please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, thumbs up, leave a comment, all helps. Greatly appreciated, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks all again for watching. Bye for now.